Howdy folks, I'm MammaCass. We're going to work on some resin today. We're going to work with epoxy resin. So we must put on our gloves and stuff. I have a really cool tray mould I'm going to create. I'm very excited for it. Let's wipe this over with a dish. A tumble dryer cloth because it stops any static. Now I don't know how much it's going to take to fill this mould, so I'm going to do it in layers because I assume that's what you do. This is what it's going to be like. We hold it that way. Obviously that will be embedded into it. I think this is how we do it. We will see. If I fuck it up, I fuck it up. We're learning. So I don't know how much I need. What do you think, guys? We've got an A epoxy resin and a part B hardener epoxy resin. It's 1:1. Mix slowly, add mica powder, pour into the mould, pouring in layers, fast curing. Right, I'm going to actually, before I start, I'm going to put some decorations in the mould. Wow. Now that's going to stick. I want this just on the maple leaf. Oh, it's going to go everywhere anyway, I think. Wow. I'm loving it, loving it. That works for me. I do like that very much. Okay. I'm going to put some of these on the other bits. Oh no, I'm going to... Right, I'll bring you back when I've cleaned up this mess. Alright. Bear with me. I've got it everywhere, look. It's not easy. I end up with this stuff all over the place. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Purple hue, look, it's quite hard to explain, but it's nice. I think we'll start over here. I'll go in with this little one because that works. We'll go around this so it gets that chameleon look at the bottom of this part. Ooh, I think that's nice. Close the lid on that one. Around the green, around like the leaf, I'm gonna go in with this to try and give that differentiation between the two. And I'm gonna come out and make it finer, like less obvious as it goes out further. So there's some clear areas. Oops, that went across, look. Oh no, it's going to ruin it. ruining it more? Clearly not. Okay, we'll just leave that there. No, I don't know. We'll see. I need to stop handling, like getting it out over the work. That would help. Enough of that. I think we'll go on this bit here with this. Maybe a little bit over in this corner here as well. Right, I'm gonna go off and just get off any excess that I don't want, and then I'll bring it back. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a few of these bits. See how we do this without making a giant mess. I'm going to add a couple of bits around here. I think I need something bigger. Very good. So I believe putting resin on the picture first, then laying it down on a base of resin is the best way to get it in to the resin. So I don't know how much to mix, to be honest, but if I have excess, then I can always pour them off into other little moulds. So my measurements are, so we'll do 8 cc and then up to 160 cc, yeah? That should be enough for a layer. So that's E, B, so we'll go, sorry, we'll show you. More pumping than I expected it to be. Stir for 3 to 5 minutes. Add pigment of this side. 40-minute work time, 24-hour cure time. Okay. So where's my button? Oh yeah. So we're going to use this to stir. I have actually got a debubbling machine coming, but I haven't got it yet. So. I'm going to leave that there because this mat's to collect any excess resin anyway. And I'm going to stir with my hands. Go around the edges of the cup to make sure it's all stirred together. Try and get some of those bubbles out. Okay, I can see it really about ready now. So, if I pour some over here, so I'll go on with this. This helps prevent it causing a bubble when you put it down. Okay, so we'll go over like that. In there like that. Okay. And then again we pour a little bit over there like that so that it sticks. Okay. This is actually a lot deeper than I thought it is, but if you look, my table's not straight. And that is why. Which it should be, because this whole thing is supposed to be to get your table straight. So, I don't know what's going on there. But if you look, it's very much lopsided. I might actually take some of this out of here and put it in this thing just to see. Because I feel like it's too much. Don't know how this is actually going to work for this thing, but we'll see. Don't climb up here. Whew. That stinks. Let's try alcohol spray, shall we? So I'm going to bring you back when this is dry and set up, and we will see what we'll do with the end bit. Thanks for joining me. See you in the morning.